How to track your Temu order for delivery updates. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. Enter your login credential and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, head over to You at the bottom. And inside You, move into your orders. In this page, it will show you all the list of the product that you have ordered. In order to track them, you can see the option of track over here. Click on it. So you can see the processing and the preparing to ship has been done. Also, the 76.2% has been completed. If you want to see more details, click on track. You can also view your delivery details and the updates. And once you have received your order, click on leave a review. You can share your thoughts with other customers and also leave the review for the suppliers. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to track your order on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching it till the end.